Welcome to Shine with Total.
We're learning together one small step at a time.
Have you ever looked up at the stars and wondered why you are here? Why do we breathe? Why do we think? Why do we exist at all? Suddenly, a golden light shimmers in the sky. A letter? But this one isn't just a letter. It's a riddle.
I gave you eyes to see the light. I gave you hands to hold on tight. I placed you on the spinning ball, but can you guess why after all?
Tara scratched her head. What could the answer be?
Maybe to eat yummy food. To collect 100 toys? None of those feel right.
I know where we can find the answer.
That's when Shine remembered something magical. They traveled beyond the clouds, beyond the stars, to the very beginning of everything. Allah made the sun to rise every morning. He made the bees to gather sweet nectar. He made the rivers to flow to the sea. Nothing in this whole universe was made without a reason. And then Allah made something even more special. He made you. Did you know? Everything Allah made has a job, even the tiniest ant. Allah gave the ants a purpose, the birds a purpose, the stars a purpose. The bee has a purpose. The river has a purpose. Even the sun rising every morning has a purpose. And that's when it all made sense.
Wait. If everything in the universe has a purpose, then I must have one too. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala didn't create me by accident. He created me to know Him. Nothing in this world was made by accident. My purpose is to know Allah and follow the path to Jannah.
Amazing! MashaAllah! So next time you wonder, why am I here? You already know the answer. I did not create the jinn and mankind except to worship me.
Comment below and tell us one way you will get closer to Allah today.
Tap subscribe and come shine with me.